Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to create picture-in-picture effect in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia and import the videos you want to use for your picture-in-picture effect. Drag the first video to the timeline. Drag the second video to the timeline. Click and hold the corner of the second video. Drag the corner to resize the video to your desired size. Move the smaller video to your preferred position within the larger video. Drag the playhead on the timeline to the point where you want the smaller video to appear. Position the playhead at the end of the unwanted section of the smaller video. Press the S key to split the video. Delete the unwanted portion. To highlight the smaller video, you can add some effects. Select the smaller video. Go to the Visual Effects tab. Drag and drop the desired effects like drop shadow onto the video. To make this more interesting, you can add some animations. Select smaller video, then go to the Animations tab. Drag and drop a custom animation onto the video. Adjust the animation settings as desired. By following these steps, you can create a professional looking picture-in-picture effect in your Camtasia. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.